Hi, we're Bumpkin haulers. Are you tired of your slow 24 valve? Got that transfer case on your Dodge Cummins always breaking? We have a solution for you.
Bumpkin haulers for all of your on and off-roadish needs.
Pause. This is a Chopper Max. This vehicle has an overhead prop that allows for flight. It may not have four-wheel drive, but if you're somewhere where you need four-wheel drive, just fly over it.
Our next option is our Scuba. This is an 83 Scottsdale Chevy pickup. Has been modified for aquatic use. The flotation devices on the side allow for water applications.
Our first model we have to show you is the Invisimama Mobile. Yes, it's very embarrassing, but when you hit this control button right here, it goes invisible and you will be completely hidden from everyone around you. Bam! It's gone.